Imagine this for a moment. You're 73 years old, watching your grandkids running and playing in the park. But instead of joining them, you're sitting on a bench because your muscles simply don't have the strength to keep up. Your doctor has probably told you the same thing they tell millions of seniors. Eat more eggs, more chicken, more protein. 3 eggs for breakfast, 18 grams of protein. But what if everything you've been told about fighting muscle loss is incomplete? Hi, I'm talking to you after studying the eating habits of more than 10,000 seniors across the United States. And what I discovered could change everything. Right now, there's a simple food sitting in your grocery store that contains 120 grams of protein in a single serving. That's not a typo. 120. While you're struggling to swallow more eggs, this powerful source has been hiding in plain sight. And here's what really caught my attention. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who replaced traditional protein sources with these alternatives not only preserved muscle mass, but actually reversed signs of sarcopenia in just 12 weeks. We're talking about people nearly 80 years old, regaining the strength of someone 20 years younger. And it's not just European studies. Researchers at Tufts University in Boston, a global authority on nutrition and aging, found that even when older adults consumed large amounts of eggs and chicken breast, they were still losing muscle almost as fast as those eating very little protein. The problem wasn't the amount. It was the type of protein and whether it contained the right cofactors to actually activate muscle growth genes. Let me give you a real example. Margaret from Ohio wrote to me last month. She ate eggs religiously for 5 years, believing she was doing the right thing. But her legs kept getting weaker. She needed help just to get out of a chair. Then she discovered what you're about to learn here. 6 weeks later, Margaret was walking 2 miles a day and playing with her great-grandkids. This isn't magic. This is American science at work. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic call it anabolic resistance. After age 60, your body simply doesn't respond the same way to conventional proteins. You can eat a dozen eggs, and nothing. Your muscles barely react. But certain foods, rich in specific amino acids and bioactive compounds, break through that barrier like a key unlocking a door. And it's not just about protein. Stanford University studies show that nutrients like vitamin B12, zinc, and antioxidants are just as critical as protein itself. Without them, your muscles don't have the repair system they need to grow. Now here's the exciting part. There are 8 superfoods, easy to find right here in the US, that are helping men and women over 60 regain strength, energy, and independence. Nutritional yeast, used by athletes since the 1920s. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry shows seniors who consume it have 40% more muscle synthesis than those relying only on eggs. Spirulina, NASA's secret weapon. Tested to keep astronauts strong in space, American studies show it boosted muscle endurance by 20% in just 4 weeks. Hemp hearts. University of Manitoba research found they reduce inflammation and increase muscle mass in older adults. Amaranth, the forbidden grain, once eaten by warriors, now confirmed by modern science to protect muscle mass. Lupini beans, University of Sydney proved they increase muscle mass without exercise. Tempeh, Korean researchers showed seniors who eat fermented soy retain up to 23% more muscle mass over 5 years. Pumpkin seed protein, rich in tryptophan, it improves deep sleep, essential for muscle repair, according to Stanford research. Beef liver powder, tested at the University of California, it helped seniors with sarcopenia gain 4.2 pounds of lean mass in just 12 weeks. These foods are so effective because they work on 3 levels at once. Deliver highly bioavailable protein, repair critical vitamin and mineral deficiencies, reactivate muscle growth genes that shut down after 60. And when that happens, stories like Richard's from Boston become possible. He wrote to me, "I'm 79. I spent 20 years eating eggs every morning. My legs got so weak I needed a wheelchair. After 6 weeks on this protocol, I walked my granddaughter down the aisle at her wedding. No cane, just me, standing tall. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. If you're over 60 and already feel your strength fading, type 1. If you're here for your mom, dad, or grandparents, type 2. This community grows stronger every day. Just like your muscles, we thrive when we support each other. If you still think weakness is inevitable, remember this. Your muscles aren't dying. They're just hungry. Give them the right fuel and see what happens. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't miss the next video, where I'll show you the 5 simple exercises that multiply the effect of these foods. Your best years are not behind you. They can start right now.